Hello everybody, thank you for tuning into Quadency support video series where we dive deeper into different bots and different functionalities of the Quadency dashboard. Today we'll be diving into the Market Maker Plus bot, but before we get into that, please make sure that you have a Quadency account, you have your exchanges linked to that account, as well as funds in your Quadency account. We have USDC and Quad as possibilities because these are super important for you to activate these bots and run them on the Quadency dashboard. So now that that's all taken care of, let's dive deep into the Market Maker Plus bot. It's very similar to our Market Maker, however it has a bunch of new functionalities, such functionalities of being able to manage up to 200 open orders and also allowing for inventory skew based on your target base and a quote balance ratio. So it's just a premium of the Market Maker V2. So once you click on your bots, you're going to click on available bots and you're going to scroll down to your Market Maker Plus. Now that you're on your Market Maker Plus bot, we're going to give it a nice name. We'd like to go with Bitcoin Market Maker Plus. And then you're going to select the exchange that you wish to link it to, and we're doing Kraken, and then the account for your Kraken. You can click on Kraken. Then you're going to select the market that you wish to use, and that is the BTC USDT is what I would like to use as the demo for today. Yes, now that we're here, we're going to go into the different variables. So you have the number of orders, and your number of orders is the total number of concurrent orders that you can place, both bids and asks. What's important to know is whatever number that you set here. So let's say we set 10 number of orders, you're going to have 5 that will be placed as a buy and 5 that will be placed as a sell. It's pretty straightforward. Just take that number and divide it by 2, and that's going to be your quantity of buy and sells. Then you're going to do your order start amount, and this is the amount and quantity for your innermost buy sell orders. So in this case, we're going to stay pretty small, and we're going to do 0.0001 BTC, and then you're going to select your order step size. So your order step size is the amount that you would increment for your buy and sell orders after your first order goes through. So we're going to do increments of point step size. Yeah, so we're going to do 0.001. We'll do 001. So that's going to be your next buy or sell order. And then you're going to do your distance between buy orders, and the distance between buy orders is the distance from mid price to place your first buy order, and the distance between each following buy order. So it's based upon percentage. We're going to, since it's Bitcoin, it can often be small, so we're going to do 0.069. And then you're going to do your distance between sell orders. We'll do the same thing, 0.069%. And then you're going to do your order replenish delay. And your order replenish delay is the time in minutes to wait before canceling any unfilled orders and replacing all orders once any order has been filled. In this case, we'll do something like 30 minutes. And then you have your maker fee is the maker fee charged by your exchange for limit and resting orders, and additional offsets of the amount will be applied to your first buy and sell orders. In this case, we'll do something like, we'll keep it at 0%. Now, if you scroll down, you have your ability to do the inventory skew. We definitely recommend you read the documentation. This is for the advanced trader, and whether you want to apply it or not. And if you do wish to apply it, you can always change your target base percent right here. And this is the ratio of base balance versus quote balance to target. Once again, don't want to get into the details of this. Please check out our documentation if you want to use this advanced feature. So for this tutorial, we're just going to hit disabled. Now, once you have all your variables set, you want to hit start live, and your bot will be up and running. So your bot is already up and running at this point. It usually takes a couple of minutes for the dashboard to get on par with everything and visually show everything. I'm going to sign off here, and I want to thank you for tuning into Quadency support video series. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on all our social media platforms, Discord, via email. If you're traditional like that, please feel free to just message us, and we'll make sure that we get you taken care of. And thank you for tuning in, and Happy trading.